These are root aphids. I'm going to show you how I treat this naturally right after this. And we're back! This is a Sansevieria and I'm supposed to braid this. But when I remove the pat, it's full of root aphids. You'll never know they exist right under the roots of your plants unless you remove it from pot. This is a great opportunity to show you how I treat this naturally without any chemicals. First, wash it with water thoroughly. Wash it over and over again until you are satisfied all the root aphids are gone. In this case, I washed it 4 times. Then, replace the pot and soil. But what if you don't have a pot and soil? You can recycle the soil by sterilizing it with boiling water. Make sure you cook the soil well to kill the pests, including their eggs. You can use the soil when it's cold enough, or you can dry it under the sun and use it later. In my case, I let it dry after 1 day. You may use it as is, or mix it with some types of small rocks. If you want to see how I braid this Sansevieria, please click the thumbnail at the end of this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Happy succulents gardening!